Hey guys, welcome to today's class, where we're gonna get groovy like it's the 60s, baby, yeah. My name's Nathan Short, if you've never danced with me before, and I'd like to ask you to take a seat.
Take the next step in brilliant color. Attract more on the dance floor. Or dance smarter with Colorform. Whoever you are, there's a program just for you. Support this channel. Head to movewithcolor.com to get started today.
Let's start by moving these babies. It's a little bit irresistible when the song sounds like this. We're gonna learn a combination today. Starts like this, right hand in front, left hand to the side, and then switch it. A sassy little flick on that wrist, like you're dipping one of your fingers into something. All right, check it out, guys. 1, 2, I'm a rebel just for kicks, man. So you're gonna kind of 1, 2, a rebel just for kicks, man. Nice. We're gonna add on a swing. Check it out. 1, 2. Swing the arms. Nice big swing. Do. Swing it side to side. All right. The second half of the combo. Palms up, palms away. Palms to the ceiling, lift the chest nice and proud, elbows to the sky. Good work for the posture here. Can we add that on? Let's do it. Armor, swing the arms. What was move number 4? We just learned it. Palms up, palms down, and we're gonna add a little shimmy for move number 5, shall we? Try it again. Armor. Throw the hair around a little bit. Palms up. A little shimmy forward and back. Okay, 2 more moves to learn. Remember these ones? Yeah, baby. 60s. Let it groove. All right, your final combo. Cross the shoulders, tap the legs twice. Cross, tap, twice. Check it out. Cross and 2 times. Cross and 2 times. Like a little bit of patty cake going on. Combination goes. Groovy, single, double. Groovy, single, double. All right, guys, the whole thing from the top. Say no. Swing. Arms up, arms down. Shimmy. Groovy, baby. Single, double, go! That's everything, guys, nothing else to learn. Palms up, shimmy, forward and back. Very groovy. Single, double, go! Last time. It's a pretty tricky combo, this one. Might take a few times. Shimmy, groovy. You made it, guys. Very groovy, baby.
Thanks for joining me for today's masterclass. Jump into another video or head to movewithcolor.com to learn how to dance your way. I'll see you next time.